Hi gang, it's your intrepid hiker Rick. And as you should have just saw, we are at trail intersection marker 15 in the Seranova tract of the Starkey Wilderness. We've been here before. The problem is, or it's not a problem, but the difference is we came from a different direction today. Instead of coming from 52, which is about 7 miles that way, we came up from the Starkey Wilderness Park, which is south of us, about 6.5 miles that way. So we wanted to see if we could find a way to get from one of these tracks to the other, and we did. About a mile back, the markers for the Seranova track kind of fade out, but as long as you stay on that particular trail that you're on, it'll take you right down into the Starkey Wilderness, and you end up crossing the multi-use path, and you can go like another 2/10 of a mile, and you hit the hiking trail and turn right and head back for the hiking parking lot at the corral. It's a gorgeous day. It's like the 11th of February. It's going to be in the low 80s today, so it's going to be warm walking back. But so far we've had a great hike. Haven't seen a lot of animals, but we've seen a few, and it's been a very enjoyable hike. And I really like this place. This is a nice place to hike. So I'm going to sign off now and head back and drink some water and see if I can get on out of here. It's about 11:30 or so in the morning, I guess, so I still got about 6.5 miles in the warm weather to get back out of here. But it's been fun, and I will see you again from some other state park and some other trail and some other wilderness. Have a good day.